Hey everyone, welcome to Brad's Gadgets. Today I've got something just a little different for you. I've got the Norwex Cleaning Cloths. We have the window cleaner right here, and we've got the environmental cleaner here, or EnviroCloth. Apparently we just need to use some water. We can wipe down something with this, and then we dry it with this. So the inside of my car, the windows are kind of foggy. They're just kind of covered in like a vape mist over the winter. So nothing I can do so far has really cleaned it. Even with Windex and paper towels, it's very streaky. So I was mentioning this at work, and a couple of my coworkers, both of them at the same time, said I had to try these Norwex cleaning cloths, and that they're apparently this miracle cleaning cloth or whatever. So I set out onto YouTube to try to find other people that have tested them out, and what did I find? Only these consultants that are selling these things seem to have demonstration videos. So that kind of left me a little bit wondering if they were biased or not. So I went out to Amazon and I bought my own. We're going to try them out. We're going to test them out, see if they are truly different than any other cleaning cloth you can buy. We're going to head out to my car first of all, and we're going to clean the windows, see how that works, see if they truly do work. And then I'm going to come back here, and we're going to try this butter test that they're trying. Putting butter on a mirror and then getting that mirror clean again. So hopefully these things work. All right, so you can see the fog going on inside of my car here. And I've got the Norwex window cloth here, and I brought a bottle of water. Okay, so I'm just gonna wet this a little bit, and we're gonna see if it does the trick like they claim. And then we use the EnviroCloth to give it a wipe. Well, am I doing this right? A lot of pressure by my hand here. Well, it has come kind of clean, but not as clean as I would have expected it to. Let's give it another dose. We'll give it a little bit more water here. Get it nice and wet. Let's get right in there. Again with this EnviroCloth, I'm just gonna wipe it dry. So, well, it's definitely cleaner looking. Let's try this side. See how foggy that is? Pretty wetted up cloth here. And let's see if we can make that disappear. All right, well, colored me impressed so far. It's better than I expected, and it's better than the results I've gotten with my regular microfiber cleaning tools. So, color me impressed. That looks actually pretty clean. I was using this microfiber cleaning cloth before, and all it would do is just streak. So, so far, okay, it's passed that test. We're gonna give it the back window test now because the back window is actually pretty nasty. All right, so I don't know if you can see that fog through there. Okay, you can see that through this window. That's not very clean. Okay, so we're getting it nice and wet. Back and forth, back and forth. Wow, I can see the film on this. Well, there's a few spots that I missed. It's actually looking not bad. I think that got actually pretty clean. You can see it's not really that fog anymore, especially at the top of the window. All right, so first test in the car was real nasty. Called me impressed. I wasn't expecting that results. I thought that these were just like microfiber cloths. This one kind of is, even though they said there's something like silver in it or something. Made in China. And you can't wash these. You can't wash these in the regular wash. You have to put them in one of those delicate bags. But let's try out this butter test. I'm curious to see if that actually works or not. Because if that works, then these things are not too bad. For the two of these, it cost me $47 Canadian. So you can understand why I was a little bit hesitant to buy two cloths for close to 25 bucks a piece. And I've spent more money on that than cleaning supplies for my windows for my car. So in the long run, these might actually save a little bit of money. All right, and we're back to the bathroom. Yes, and I got myself a stick of unsalted butter. And I'm gonna try this on this mirror and see if this Norwex stuff will get it off. That's what these consultant people are doing as a test. So I'm curious to see if that works, because if we can get butter off a mirror with these things, then call me equally impressed. Again, I don't make any money off of this. I didn't receive these for free. I paid full price, if not more, for them, and I didn't have to attend a Tupperware party. So let's try it out. Here we go. Over here. Oh, it's slippery. Okay, we get some butter on the mirror now. And oh, that's just so smeary. So smeary. This is still the same wet rag that I used for my car. So I haven't put any more water on it, but I got a feeling this is gonna be messy. But let's see what it does. Wow, okay. I don't know which is the best way to show you this. It just pulled that butter right off there. So, okay, well, there's the butter smears. There's not a sign of it and not a streak at all. All right, so what about something like your everyday glasses that you wear? Let's try cleaning that and see how good I can get these glasses to come. Because the Koala eyeglass cleaner I've been using is not very nice, actually, and I got that off of Amazon. So we'll wet her down just like we did before, and We'll give them a quick dry, see how this comes out. All right, my glasses have come pretty clean. Look at that. It's hard to tell there, but wow, okay. Okay, so in conclusion, they passed my tests. I know these are the tests that the consultants were doing, but I needed to see it for myself, and I needed to pass it along to you, unbiased, because I really didn't believe in the product actually so much. Some of the Amazon reviews said, oh, they're just regular cloths, but I guess the proof is really in the pudding on these ones, or in the butter, or in the vape stuff on my window. So would I recommend buying the Norwex towels to clean your house? After trying it myself, yeah, definitely. I'm actually kind of blown away at how well that worked. I don't know what kind of gimmick they say, you know, there's being silver intertwined in this or something. I don't know. To me, this one just seems like a regular microfiber drying cloth, but together they worked great. So maybe there actually is something to this. I don't know the science behind it. I just bought it, we tried it out, and now I'm bringing you the results. So definitely not fit for the shit pit like I thought. I'm actually impressed about that. Anyways, hopefully this helped you make an informed decision on whether or not you wanted to buy these things or not. I'm just glad that I had the opportunity to pass the information along to you. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe, and there's a little notification bell in the bottom right that you can click on that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And as always, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody.